I'm Nigel Nicholas. I work for Ceredigion County Council and I'm a coast path ranger working on the Ceredigion coast path. Well, we're on the west coast of Wales. Ceredigion is sandwiched between two national parks. The 60-mile coast path is between the Teifi and the Dyfi estuary. And we're in Llangranog, one of the best known villages in Wales, one of the most charming villages as well in Wales. What you get here is views that command the whole of Cardigan Bay. Views all the way up from Bardsey down to Strumble Head, and with a backdrop to the Preseli Mountains all the way up to Snowdon. And Cardigan Bay is a haven for wildlife. There's a resident population of over 200 dolphins in the bay. In Ceredigion here we have food festivals and seafood festivals, and there's music festivals. There's a great culture here, a very healthy culture. It's a great place to be, really. Well, we're the first country in the world to have a coast path around its entire coastline. So it's a very proud achievement for Wales. It's expected to bring in an extra 100,000 visitors to Wales. If you walk the coast path, you'll be walking along ancient routes, ancient monuments, medieval settlements, and the domain of bygone communities. The coast has always inspired artists and poets and writers. And Elgar was a visitor here in 1901. He came to get away from the stresses of life, and he was inspired by a choir singing on the beach. Dylan Thomas spent some of his most productive years writing in New Quay. One of the great things about walking the coast path is that it's been developed for all people, really, of all ages and all abilities. And it costs nothing to walk. Some sections have been developed on horseback, some on bicycles, and some of the sections have been improved and continue to be developed for wheelchair and pushchair family access as well. Well, the quality of our landscape is our greatest asset, and this is a wonderful, healthy place to live and to work in.